Imagine a magic robot that can answer your questions, draw pictures, or even help with your homework. That's what AI is, a powerful computer tool that helps people in lots of ways. But here's something important. AI isn't just a robot that always does the right thing. It learns from people and information, so sometimes it can make mistakes or be unfair. Let's talk about fairness. If an AI gives different answers or chooses favorites, that's not fair. We need to make sure AI treats everyone equally, no matter who they are. Then there's privacy. Just like you'd protect a secret diary, AI should keep people's information safe and private too. Safety is important as well. If an AI tells you to do something dangerous, it's okay to say no and ask an adult. Honesty matters too. Sometimes, AI makes things up or shows pictures that aren't real. Don't be afraid to ask questions if something seems odd or wrong. And finally, human responsibility. AI might be smart, but people are the ones who decide how to use it. We all need to be kind and careful, making good choices that help everyone stay safe and happy. So the next time you use AI, remember, be fair, protect privacy, stay safe, be honest, and always think for yourself. That's what makes you a real AI hero.